The goal of the project is to teach English 30 journalists around the South region.
My name is Farzona Hodiboyeva and I am a journalist. I work in TV station Asia. I want to learn English fluently and translate news in English. In future, I plan open department in English language. And next year, I hope travel to the USA.
Hello, my name is Masroura. I am a journalist. I study English primarily for my work and in order to travel the world.
I'm Daler Otabekov. I'm working for newspaper Haqiqati. I use English language for read publishing, create software and design sites.
I'm Zamira, freelance journalist. I am studying English second year and I know that my vocabulary is becoming better and I can express my opinion in English.
I am Suraya Hakimova and I am a journalist. I work for regional newspaper Haqiqati and I'm very happy to learn English. After 4 months learning, I can see results. I can read text, articles, short stories and short poems, and I can understand their meanings.